Imagine transforming your Raspberry Pi into a satellite signal receiver. Yes, it's possible. With just a few tools, you can...
Do you like to create and explain a video using an AI avatar? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI avatars to create videos. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do some explainer videos for some of the projects that I have done, especially with Raspberry Pi, and I found that doing that with AI avatars is the best method. And for that, I found Synthesia is a very good tool which can be used effectively. After carefully reviewing many tools available, I have used Synthesia for this purpose. I have also included my affiliate link for Synthesia if you also want to use their service. Now, you will not be charged extra, but I will get a commission if you click that link and subscribe to their service. Thank you for that. This is not a marketing pitch for Synthesia. I'm just trying to share my experience when using Synthesia for the service that I have subscribed. When you go to the Synthesia website, you can either create a login or you can simply log in using your Google credentials. And once you log in, you get to your workspace, and there you will find a lot of templates that can be used for your purpose. And you can select those templates also depending on what's the type of the video that you want to create, and they will have their avatars which are pre-built, which you may be able to change later. To create videos, you have multiple options. You can create it from scratch, you can get the AI's help, or you can simply upload a PowerPoint, or you can even do a voice translation, a language translation. Since I'm only going to do a simple video for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to start something from scratch but with AI's help. And for that, I'm going to select a template that would suit my purpose. Since this is like a project demonstration, I will select this product demo template. Then I'm going to use the option to create with AI, because I can then provide a prompt, or I can give my own script, or I can provide a URL, or I can even upload a PowerPoint presentation that I have, which is so convenient. So I'm going ahead with the prompt option, and the prompt I'm going to give it is to create and explain a video on how to connect the Raspberry Pi with the RTL2832 satellite dongle and get the satellite connection. Now this was a project that I have done previously, and one part of that is already shared on my YouTube channel. Then you simply press the create button and the application will do all the heavy lifting. What you've got to do is to sit back and relax and see the outcome that is coming. It will generate the script and will generate the slides and the sequence and everything, and will finally provide you a very comprehensive professional grade video for you.
Of the skies, accessing data once reserved for professionals.
You can edit these videos, you can put your logo, and you can also tweak the script and you can customize it according to your needs. You can also include your own pictures and then can further customize with the type of the content that you want to see.
Start your journey today and unlock the potential of your Raspberry Pi. Let's dive into the cosmos together.
Thank you for watching my video, and please do share this with your friends and comment and like, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.